Hi kids, this is I Motivate for Kids. On this channel, we motivate kids to do better at home, school, and everywhere else. As usual, we have our helper James, and he's going to help us unbox another toy. What toy do we have today, James?
So kids, today we have the Ryan's World Mystery Putty, and it says we could collect 5 colors. We could collect purple, green, blue, red, and yellow. We could also make our own pal out of stamps. So let's see what color we get. What color do you think we're gonna get?
I think blue.
I think we're gonna get yellow.
Hey, you watching us online, what do you think? What color do you think we're gonna get?
Okay, so here's the container. Open it up. And we have some stamps here.
Nice.
So here's the stamps. These are eyes. I actually don't know what this might be Orion's World stamp. Guys, what color did we get? Have your final guesses. Okay, so we got blue.
Yeah, I was correct. Wow, look at that blue putty.
It's actually pretty hard to stretch. That's a really cool. Guys, what were your predictions?
Did you guess right?
Or did you guess wrong? So right now we're going to do the stamps. Let's just press it down. We have the putty right here. So now we are going to make a partner. So let's just push it down. And look, we have eyes. Look at that. Okay, so right now I'm going to do a star. I guess this is going to be his nose. Oh, that looks like I put the bow tie. And then, last but not least, we're going to put the Ryan's World. And it is kind of...
Wow, awesome.
It's very cool. To me, it actually looks like Mr. Potato Head.
Great job, Helper James. Today,
Thanks.
we're going to talk about Tony Robbins Quotes. And the quote we're going to talk about today says, "Let fear be a counselor and not a jailer." What that means is it's okay to fear, but don't let it put you in a box so you're just so frozen that you don't know what to do. Let it be something that would help you think and say, if I am scared of losing in a soccer match, then think about how you can make sure you win. So let fear of failure help you to think about how to succeed. If you learned something today, please share with your friends and family. Like the video and subscribe to our channel. Remember what we always say on this channel: it's not impossible because I'm unstoppable. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.